Okay guys, a little another short and down and dirty video. Bought some Easy Up pop-ups. They're pretty cheap, 10 by 10. Wanted to do it because it's a blistering 80 degrees on the central coast here and we're not used to that. So I went to put it up and had this problem where the legs would not click in. I fixed this one already. This one's good, popping in and out. This one, however, does not do anything. So, thought I'd make a quick video. First thing you want to do, each one of these legs has a little locking pin on each side. You want to pry that up with the screwdriver, each side, knock it down, and that'll come back. Once you do that, if your pin doesn't catch like mine, you can go ahead and pull it all the way out. You can see here, it's not coming through. This little cap just pops off. Has pins inside that line up on each side there. No big deal. Next thing you're going to want, get this little spring pin out. What I'm using is this little hook tool. And let's see if we can get a picture down in here. So what I do is I hook that pin and press it out. So I'm going to do that. I'll set this down here for just a second. Okay, so you can see I just hooked it around here, pushed it back, pull that pin up. And this is what you got inside this little spring mechanism. So I found what works for me is if I just bend this clip forward with the little pliers, that works. So let's do that here. See if we can hold this. What I'm going to do, grab it down here and bend it forward. Doesn't need much, but give it a little bend on there. That'll straighten it out. The other thing I do, you can see it's kind of slotted, and I close it up just a little bit to help it get in its hole. Sorry for the shaky video, but you'll get the point. Alright, so we got that closed up a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit more of a bend on there. Alright, something like that should work. I'm going to slide it back down and we'll test it out here. There we go. Now, you can see it's engaging real good. Then I'll put this little black clip on with its notches. Some kind of a lube will be good, maybe some white lithium grease, I guess some silicone. I'll spray that plastic piece down. And we'll spray some down here. Help lube it up. Then your orientation, you'll want to make sure your pin, when you slide it into the holes, the channel, your holes are lined up with pin. In this case, the holes are down, so that pin's got to go down. Just slide it back in.